What I've get the knowledge, it's very useful for the costing prospects and the maintenance prospects. The checklist what we in this session we have learned that it's very useful here, and we can say that the long terms if we can say we can refer these trainings for the long prospects. It's very productive. I can say the productive. Aspects. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So you are a user of Ravi.
Yeah.
Can you share some feedback?
Presently, what I have, what I observed that it's a positive side. The services part from the river is very useful, and we have already gave the very positive things. We have already learned that thing, and for the future prospects, we will do the better business what we have done. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.